Hello again. Right, we're back for another balloon tutorial, and this one we're going to be making a balloon centerpiece stand. Now to make this you're going to need a piece of MDF, and this one we have got a piece that is 800mm by 400mm, and we're going to make 8 pieces using the MDF and these 9mm dowels which are here. The tools for the job is you're going to need a tape measure, pencil, a drill and a skill saw. You don't necessarily need a skill saw, but can you see this? Me pointing at this. But a hand saw would do, but if you've got a skill saw it's going to be a lot quicker. Right, so what you want to do is get the centre of the MDF, which is 405, so it's 202. Mark it top and bottom. And again in the centre, if you don't have a straight edge long enough. Right, so you mark it in the centre, and then what you want to do is 810mm, so you want to make 4 out of this, so you're going to make it 202, 404, 608 and 810. And mark these top and bottom again. So 202, 404, 606. Do that top and bottom. You can also mark it again in the middle if needed be. So you want 202, 404, 606. Straight edge to come down using your pencil. Right, so therefore you got your centre of each square. Well, you've got your squares sorted out now. You want to get the centre of these, you mark it across like that. You can do 2 at a time. Edge to edge. You do it on both sides. We might as well mark them all up before we cut it. You can do it afterwards obviously, but and then this way as well, and that'll give you your centre. Doesn't have to be perfect, just as near as you can get it. Come across there again. Make sure you clear. I've got one using a little hop up here. If you've got a proper workbench, that's even better, but I don't have, so I'm going to do it halfway, cut these off down that way first of all. Right, so you can clamp these on. If you've got a clamp, you can clamp these on, or I'll use the old method, which is my knee. So once you've got your marks and your holes, you cut your little squares, you can just give it a sand down, just on the edges. Get rid of any loose edges there. Repeat that on all of them. Right, so now if you don't have the exact size drill bit, if it's a little bit too big for the dowels, don't worry too much because you can put some tape round it. Yeah, so you can use a bit of tape to hold it in place or a bit of glue. But obviously, if the hole's too big, it will wobble around. So wood glue would be ideal, with maybe a bit of gaffer tape around it if the hole's too big. If it's the perfect size, you don't need any of that. But there you have it. So there's your blue centerpiece stands, homemade. You can buy these, but if you've got the tools ready, you can do it.
You can't buy them at wholesale, you have to get somebody to make them.
You can do it yourself. It's quite easy to do, just basic carpentry skills.
The table isn't straight, that's why it doesn't look straight. That's it now.